No one will believe what you did with the bananas. Start by peeling 4 bananas and cut them into round slices. In a large bowl, start by adding 2 eggs, then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and whisk everything very well until foamy. When that happens, add 210 milliliters of milk and whisk once again. Then add 260 grams of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and mix until combined. This is the right mix. Now, get a banana slice. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it. And we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Dip it well in this batter and transfer to a large skillet over low heat, greased with vegetable oil. Repeat this process with all the banana slices and fry them until golden on both sides. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now. Type that recipe and download it. This is the right point. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Finally, transfer to a nice serving dish and finish by drizzling honey to taste. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comments section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.